පුළුවන් video කරන්න? Okay, I'll make a comment in English. So I just discovered this shoe cobbler. He's repairing shoes. I noticed that he was putting back in good condition these sport shoes. I came too late to film everything, but you can see now the customer is very happy. He's getting his shoes. He paid 600 rupees for the repair. So we can see the craftsman doing his work here, and he allowed me to have a look closer at all his tools. Now we are not too far away from the bus stand, at the walking distance. It's from the bus stand walking to Wakwella Road direction. There's that bank on the left side, and then there's a small market with zoo shops and some tailors. And this is where this man is having his workshop. Oyage phone number? Phone number. Then it's easy. He has a phone number and an address written in Sinhalese. So let's look closer. He's repairing these leather shoes. These are for school, no? These shoes for schools. I can see the shape. The school uniform requires shoes, and so he's stitching them on the side to avoid that the user will walk on the sieving, on the thread. He already put some glue before. Thank you. Goodbye. Goodie. I'll show you now the location of this small workshop. Which is here. Yeah, outside you see that is the place with the supermarket there and the beginning of the Wakwella Road. This is this super small lane here, but you can park here. In fact, there's a fort visible, and there are these banks